Chatur, I just got taxed 14,000 rupees this month. What's happening? Up until last month, Raju was earning about 11.8 lakh rupees, and thanks to the new tax regime, he was getting away with paying zero income tax. Well, all of that changed last month. After Raju, because of his exceptional performance at his company, got a raise. According to the feedback that I have received from multiple people, I have decided to keep 1 week dedicated to just taxes, in which I will be teaching you about the ins and outs of taxes, the old regime versus the new regime, which one to follow, how to save taxes legally, all of these videos for an entire week. Without any further ado, let's get back to this video. Under the new tax regime of the financial year 2024-25, these are the income tax rates which apply. If you're making anywhere between 0 to 3 lakh rupees annually, you don't have to pay any taxes on that. If you're making anywhere between 3 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees, that is, your net taxable income is between 3 lakhs and 7 lakh rupees, then you have to pay 5% on that amount. Let's say your net taxable income is 5 lakh rupees. So, from 0 to 3 lakh rupees, you pay zero tax. What's remaining is 2 lakh rupees, which falls under the second slab. In this slab, you're supposed to pay 5% of 2 lakh rupees. That would have been your total tax. Now you might be wondering, how was Raju able to get away with paying zero tax even though his salary was lying under the fourth bracket? For that, I'll let you in on a secret. According to section 87A, if your net taxable income is less than rupees 7 lakhs, then you get a rebate of rupees 25,000 on your income tax. A rebate is essentially a refund. Now Raju had smart salary structuring. What do I mean by that? With NPS, employer insurance, and PF, his net taxable income was actually brought down to 7 lakh rupees. Now let's have a look at our slabs once again. Raju now fell in the second category, which means he has to pay 5% on 4 lakh rupees. Well, if you do some quick math, that comes out to be 20,000 rupees of tax. And as we said, the rebate is of rupees 25,000, which is exactly how Raju got away with paying zero in taxes. Let us see what the situation is like now. Suddenly, Raju's net taxable income became 11.3 lakh rupees. Applying the same mathematics that we applied just now, let us take a look at how much tax Raju has to pay now. If you look at this, from 0 to 3 lakh rupees, he's still paying zero. But now, since his net taxable income is 11.3 lakh rupees, he falls under the fourth slab, which means he has to pay zero from 0 to 3 lakh rupees, followed by 5% of 4 lakh rupees, followed by 10% of 3 lakh rupees, and lastly, he has to pay 15% of 1.3 lakh rupees, which brings the sum total of his taxes to 69,500 rupees annually. Now, how is this tax deducted? Well, this tax is deducted as TDS, and Raju receives his salary after the tax has been deducted. No rebate, no escape. That's not entirely true though. There are multiple ways in which you can save taxes, and we will dive into that in our week-long series on taxes. I worked so hard for this raise, and now the government is taking it?
Welcome to the 12 LPA Club, Raju. Your free ride is officially over.
How is Chatur so cool with paying so many taxes? Well, this is his cheat sheet. Number 1, know your regime. Always compare old tax regime to the new tax regime to find out which one is the best for you. Use things like NPS, EPF, and health insurance to your benefit. More on that in our week-long series on taxes. Third, run simulations. find online tools which help you to calculate taxes or use the tool developed by GrowWest. If you want to use that tool, I encourage you to check out the link in the description so you don't miss out on exclusive bonus content and amazing Google Sheets that are going to help you plan out the rest of your financial life. And last but not least, ask HR if they can restructure certain components of your raise to make your net taxable income as low as possible. I would like to end by saying that income tax is not a punishment, it's a milestone. The key is optimizing, not avoiding. Want access to our tax optimizer calculator? Check out the link in the description to join our WhatsApp community where you can interact with like-minded people who are serious about growing their wealth. And if you want more simplified short stories that make money make sense, then make sure you drop a like, subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. This was video 6 of my 30-day long series of personal finance. When it comes to taxes, be like Chatur, not like Raju. Thank you.